Biau again. Today, I'm going to tell you how to QC exosome. For the QC of exosome, we strictly follow the international guideline. For your information, exosome is a round shape and there are some proteins on the external surface of the exosome. There are also some components inside the exosome. And exosome, we know, it is the size around 100 nanometers. Therefore, we need to make sure that the size is there. The first thing is we need to check with the synthesizer. These synthesizers can determine the size of the exosome in the machines. The second machine we can use is we call it as NTA, nanoparticle tracking analysis. This machine is not just determine the size but also able to determine the number of exosomes in the preparations. Other than determining the size, we also need to make sure that the exosome is intact and not ruptured. So we use electron microscope to view the integrity of the exosome to make sure that it is really a round shape and it does not rupture. If for a ruptured exosome, it is not able to deliver the active ingredients such as the cytokines, growth factor, mRNA to the damaged cells. So whenever we are able to determine that the exosome is very intact in the electron microscope, so we know that our isolation method is working. After looking into the size and the integrity of the exosome, we need to look at the identity of the exosome. According to the international guideline, we need to determine the proteins on the surface of the exosome. So we use Western blot to determine some of the CD markers on the exosome. Other than the external one, we also need to look into the internal one. For example, heat shock protein 70, TSG 101, and all these must be present in the exosome in the preparations to confirm that the exosome is of high quality.
Cytohealth, evidence-based solution.